welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out a new overnight oats recipe. It's a brownie batter chocolate chip overnight oats from the website chocolatecoveredkatie.com. I'm going to be leaving the recipe in the bottom bar below, and I'm going to be using a mason jar for these for in the morning. It's the night before my husband is getting the kids ready for bed, so I'm going to go ahead and get our breakfast ready. I'm sure you know this, but with overnight oats, it's important to let them sit overnight, hence the name. You can let them go for at least 4 hours, but we really enjoy overnight oats. We have them a lot, and I hope you guys do too. So let's go ahead and dig in. Alrighty, so with overnight oats, it's pretty simple. You just kind of put everything into your container of choice. And the only thing I did different with this one is I added PB2 instead of regular peanut butter, and then added a little bit of extra milk, and then just shook it on up. What does that say?
R-A-Y-L-A-N.
Good job.
That's my name.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So these sat overnight. They look incredibly thick and they smell very rich in chocolate, and they smell really good. And we're ready to eat, so let's go ahead and give this a shot.
What about princess?
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, try a bite. Thumbs up? You like it? What do you taste?
I taste the milk and the seeds, and I taste the chocolate and the yogurt.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I definitely get a strong chocolate flavor at first, and then a really tanginess from the yogurt. And then the oatmeal comes through at the very end with that finish. So I really actually enjoy that. I like that even with a bite of the chocolate chips, it's not an overpowering in-your-face chocolate flavor. And with my hazelnut creamer, this is definitely a winning combination. And again, I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate, and I would probably rate these an 8 out of 10, being honest, because they're very good. And they're sweet, but they're not so sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and finish our breakfast here. I really appreciate you guys watching. Leave a comment down below with anything else that you guys want tested, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.